session. Okay. So now always, the way how we have done in contact pose, like that only, like contact down, passing up. In the similar way, for the upper part, we have to work on. So now contact. So these are the like pole vector for the hand part. I'm just placing in the bottom. Okay. And for the hand controller, we have it here. Select this. You get few options here. Okay. So you can select those things. So cup or else. So it will be kind of relaxed. Okay. You have options here. Like this. So normally, like while walking, hands will become something like this. So relax like this, like this. Okay. So I'm selecting this set key, select this as set key, and select the hand controller set key. Now this hand down, and the hand controller okay, set key, select this set key. Okay. So now I'm selecting both hand controller and both finger controllers and these two. Come to frame 25, set key. Okay. So now we have to create opposite contact, that is in 13. So this will be here. Set key. This goes in the back. Set key. And I select these two. Set key. Select this hand controller, both the hand controller. Set key. So even though if I haven't changed anything, but still I'm doing that. Set key. So if you observe, it's like this. Now come to frame number 4. Frame 4. Set key. And this one. Set key means you just have to adjust this. So now I'll come to frame 16. So vice versa we have to do. Okay. Set key and this one. Set key. So now I'll come to 7, frame 7. In frame 7, obviously, this goes up. Set key. Set key. So it's like this hand, this one, these are set keys are done. Now opposite to 7, here it is. It's 19. In 19, set key. This or else you can even observe that image, that walk cycle image. By looking at that, you can definitely do. Then comes for 10 and 22. So I'll come to frame 10. Frame 10. This hand is here. Set key. Set key. Okay. So opposite to this is 22. Set key. Again set key. So see the hand, observe the hand now. There is no jerk. It is smoother. Okay. So now what we have to do, this one. So here, set key, set key. I take the same thing on 25th also. Middle click, drag and drop, set key. So I'll come here. Set key. Set key. Middle click, drag and drop, set key. I'll come to 13. Set key. Okay. Now this hand part is done, including the finger part. If you observe, the hand movement is also there here. Okay. Any doubts? No, but still body looks static. It's not curvy. So in this case, we need to work on the hip portion, spine portion like this. So I'll select this, When this leg is front, okay, okay, let me select this. So frame 1 minus 10, set key, and frame 25 also same. But here, rotate Y, it's 10, set key. So what is happening here? Head is rotating. Okay. Now the spine. So frame 1. So this comes here. It is minus 14. Set key. 25 same. 13 opposite. The body has to rotate. Now the body is also rotating. It's good. Okay. So you have this option. That's okay. I'll select the hip part. It's like this in frame 1. So it should be minus 10. Set key. Here also it is same. But in 13 it is in the opposite side. So I just turn off the curve and I'll show you how does it look. Okay. There's a hip portion. Body portion movement is there. Head movement is also there. Okay. Any doubts up to here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we can work on the fish part also here. Frame 1, set key. Here also set key. 13, set key. Okay. So this includes, you know, curving the body as well. See, if you can see, it's in a curve shape. Even the hand movements and all, it's in a curve shape. Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So I select the head controller, this one. Okay. Or eye controller. So here for this character, you can, by selecting this, you can change the shape of the character as well, hairstyle. You want a girl, you want boy, this is a boy character, make this as a girl character. Okay, all these things you can do. Eye, is it a small, medium? This eyebrow, it's a medium or small or big. How do you want? You can do that. So in this character, we have those options and all. Mustache, do you need mustache or Chaplin mustache or medium mustache or even a thick mustache, or else you want a goatee? Okay, all those things you can. Now this not required, none, goatee, none. Okay, so you can try this. So later, even for the smoother output, what we can do is I select the cog controller, go to window, animation editor, graph editor. So you can see the graph here. We need to work in the graph. This is really important. There are curves like this, it's uneven. Okay, so I select this. This is translation Z, F for frame of focus. So we have it like this. What we can do, you can select all the curve and tangent spline. Make it spline. So what happens? Smooth movement. Okay, you get smooth movement, really smooth movement. Even what you can do, I can remove this one. I can keep it like this. Okay, just only observe only the hip part now. I turn off the curves. It is smoother. Okay. Now I'll take the leg part. So for that you need to select the curve. Select the curve. Go to graph editor. Anchor like a controller. So you can look into this and you can just fine tune this. This is toe lift. It's okay. I think it's okay. I just turn off the curve. So just make sure you create it like this. So this is a type of walk. So what we can do, we can define male walk, female walk, okay, and adult walk or a kid walk. That defines, you can refer the clips or images from the YouTube. You can, or else in Google, you can download the images, the pose images. Based on that, you can create. Okay. So any doubts are there up to here? No doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this almost completes the walk cycle. I want you to create walk cycle for a female and one for a baby, or you can create for older person, because their walk is different. It won't be this much energetic. So in this, if you see, this is kind of a brisk walk. Okay, so you can define that. Okay, fine. Even more advanced or all this, like we'll be learning in Sim 4, but I think this is enough for animation. Okay, so we have covered animation editor, dope sheet, graph sheet, graph editor, and all. I think set key, all this is done. So camera animation part is also done. I think you can, okay, refer to the books, online books. Okay, you have all this PDFs, right? So this theory PDF you just go through because you might get all the content or inputs for exams from this PDF only. Okay, that's one part, major part. No, bone thing or all these things has been done. Fine, try this. Okay. Okay, so what I suggest is after the animation, once you complete this work cycle, okay, uh, I'm gonna give you some exercises wherein I want you to create only pose, no animation, nothing else. Means you take the character, for this character every five frame, let's say frame number 1, frame number 5, frame number 10, every 5 frame I want you to create a pose only, nothing else, just pose. I'll tell you what are the poses. This or this. Let's create a jump pose only, nothing else. This is a backflip pose. Character 1, he'll bend and he'll move up and he'll flip. Like this, just pose you need to set. Only pose. Then later, when we play, when we do a timing animation, I'll explain that how to do it. But then it looks really good. Or else just for timing, you have to create pose only. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's create this pose, nothing else. Okay. Let us not do something really complicated. So the character, anticipation, jump is in the contact, fall in the contact, mid-air, recovery, and neutral. Okay. After walk cycle, I want you to do walk cycle. After that, I want you all to do this. Any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Is this simple? This is simple, right? Just only pose you have to do. You have, okay. The here where you see leg, hand, and all, this is right hand. Where the shade is there, that's a left hand. Okay. Got it? Only simple poses, nothing else. Okay. So after this,
Yes, sir.
yeah, after this, share the play blast. I want you to share the play blast, not the Maya file. Share the play blast with me, okay? And mm, we'll see. Then I'll start dynamics in Maya. Means how can we create effects and all. I'll show you how to create effects and all. Uh, it's like why is